Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bullx to Phantom Wallet. In order to do it, you first need to come to bullx.io. If you don't want to stuck into the early access of bullx.io, then I would recommend you to use the link that is given in the description, and you will also save 10% on the trading fees on this platform. Now, once you are on bullx.io and once you successfully create your account, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand section and you need to go to the wallet manager option. Now once you are on this page, you will be able to see the option of add wallet. So you need to simply click on it, and here it will ask you to select the wallet type. So over here you just have to select Solana, and here you need to give your wallet a name. So you can give your wallet any of the names of your choice. Now it will ask you to provide the wallet address. So in order to get this address, you need to simply click on your Phantom Wallet extension, and over here you will be able to see the receive option. So you need to click on receive, and from here you need to copy this address from here, and you need to come back to this page and paste the address in this section. Afterwards, you need to click on the add wallet option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and wait for some time until it shows you that your wallet is generated successfully. So this is basically your Phantom wallet that you have successfully linked with your Bullx account. Now with the help of this wallet, you can easily withdraw your earned Solana or any other assets from your Bullx account to your Phantom wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.